Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can clear cache or temp files on Windows 11. So for that, first you have to open Windows Run. So for that you can press Windows and R button on your computer, or you can simply go to Start menu and search for Run. You have to click on Run and open it. In here you have to type %temp %. So make sure to check the spelling and click on OK. So this folder is basically the shortcuts of temporary files. You have to press Ctrl A and delete all of it by pressing delete on your keyboard or right clicking and click on delete. So some files will not be able to delete it because these are currently used by computer. So you have to click on do this for all current items and click on skip. So you have to do the same thing to another two folders which are I'm going to show you. For that you have to press Windows R again, and this time you have to remove the percentage and click OK. Then you have to do the same thing, which is deleting all of the file. Then you have to open Run again, and here you will have to type pre-fetch. So be aware of this spelling. Make sure to type the right words and click on OK, and you have to click on continue to get permission. So if you are using administrator account, you will get the permission automatically. So in here you have to select all the file and delete them, and you have to skip some of them because some of them are being used, and click on skip. So once you have done that, you think that the thing has been done, but those files may be in your recycle bin. So go to recycle bin by searching, or you can go from desktop if you have enabled it. So in here you have to select all the file and delete and click on yes. So it will take some time. Once it has been finished, all the cache files of your computer will be deleted. So that's how you can basically clear cache on Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe.